Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you a quick tutorial on how to actually reset and factory reset your Samsung Galaxy phone, whether it's the first Samsung Galaxy phone or the latest and greatest. Now you will need a Windows PC to do this if you don't already have access to the device's, panel and everything. And basically what happens is that if a phone, for example, let's say a Samsung Galaxy S6 for example, if you don't have access to the phone itself, or if it's rebooting, or if you have boot loop issues or whatever, this is a really good way of how to get your phone back potentially and get it back to where it could have been if it really didn't have those issues before. Now, quick note, all your data is going to be deleted from your phone, so keep that in mind. So back up whatever you can. Also, you will need a Windows PC, whether it's Windows 10 or whatever. There are ways to do this on a Mac or a Linux machine, but those require things that are outside of my reach. So for the time being, you will need a Windows to go through this process. Now what you want to do on your Windows computer is that you want to go to Samsung's website and you want to make sure you have the drivers installed. And I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description of how to install those drivers exactly. So once you have those drivers installed, what you want to do is you want to go to this specific website, or you can really go to any website, but Sam Mobile is one of the better ones in my opinion. And once you're there, you want to find the model of your phone. So if it's like a SMH or whatever it is, I don't really know what they are. You just want to Google which specific exact model of the phone you have, whether it's a T-Mobile one, AT&T, whatever. And you want to search up that model and download the specific stock software from this website. Now again, there might be some other websites you can go to, but this is one that'd be really, really good. So for example, if I have a Galaxy Note 4, I would Google online Galaxy Note 4 T-Mobile firmware name and then hardware name, and it would tell me it's like a whatever it is, and then basically I would search that on the search bar. So once you're there, you want to download the exact type of baseband version and everything like that for your specific device, and all you want to do at this point is just download it straight onto your PC. And once you have that, all you want to do is install Odin on your computer, which you can also get on Sam Mobile, or you can get wherever you want to. It really doesn't matter. You can always look up how to download Odin, which I'll leave links in the description on exactly how to download those as well. So once you have the Odin file, all you want to do is run Odin as an administrator, so you don't run into any issues that sometimes could happen. And once you have Odin fully open, what you want to do is put your phone into download mode. And in order to do this on most Samsung devices, a little bit different on each, so you can look up how to put my Samsung Galaxy S10 in download mode or how to do whatever, but this should be the same way for most other devices. So what you want to do is to make sure your phone is fully powered off, or if it's boot looping, you want to make sure that you catch it while it's off or during its boot loop state, and you want to hold down the volume down key, the home button, and the power key. Now again, if you don't have that power button, it might be a little bit of a different process, so you just kind of want to go and see what happens. But when your device actually goes through and it vibrates once, you want to let go of the power button, and you still want to hold down the volume down button and the home button at the same time. And eventually you'll come into a panel that looks something like this, which it'll say warning or whatever, and you want to click the volume up button and you want to click continue. Now at this point you'll get into the download page, which looks kind of freaky. I don't know why they made it look like this. But all you want to do here is plug in your phone into your Windows PC and make sure it's discovered by Odin. Basically, if you plug in your phone into the Windows PC, it'll say COM and it'll say added. Now this is the same software that a lot of people use to custom ROM and root their Samsung devices, and I've done this personally a lot, so it's really kind of hard to mess up your device as long as you follow a lot of these situations by a T. Now what you want to do here is you want to click the PDA button or the AP button. It really just depends on which version of software you're running. In my specific example, it is the AP button, and you want to find that exact extracted file that you found earlier for that firmware that we downloaded earlier from Sam Mobile. So it'll be like a tar.md5 file or something like that. And so you want to click on the AP button, search for that specific file, and load that up. And then once it's fully loaded and everything and you don't run into any issues, you want to click start, and the phone will begin to flash, and basically it will be factory resetting your whole entire device, and it'll bring your phone back to good as new. That's going to take a couple minutes, and eventually it'll say reset and then passed, and then you're pretty much set and the phone will reboot. And once it's fully rebooted, you can remove it and you're pretty much good to go. Now there could be some issues where, for some reason it's not fully able to go through. You might run into an issue halfway through, whatever. You want to make sure your USB cable is set. You want to make sure it's not like wobbly or anything like that. Another huge thing, you want to make sure your drivers are up to date, and you want to make sure you're running Odin as an administrator. Those are a couple of things on how to fix a specific problem, but that's really how to factory reset any Samsung phone in case you run into any boot loops or software problems or whatever like that. And it really shouldn't take more than 20 minutes to go through all this whole entire process. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would check it out. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.